Hello everybody, welcome to Indian Online School. Today we are going to solve NSO question paper 2022-23 of grade 3 science, and this session will be a full-length discussion of the entire question paper. So to begin with, we will first start here. First question is, study the given pattern carefully and tell the number of wooden logs in pattern 2. So in pattern 1, if you see, there are 2 logs. In pattern 2, there are 5 logs. In pattern 3, there are 8 logs, right? So pattern 7, okay, which is, there has to be pattern 4, then pattern 5, then pattern 6, then pattern 7. Okay, so you have to tell how many logs will be there in pattern 7. So if you notice, there is a difference of 3 in each of them. Okay, so there is a difference of 3 in each of the patterns. So definitely when we move ahead till the 7th pattern, we have to keep adding 3 in each. So if you add 3 over here to 8, you will get 11. If you add 3 in 11, you will get 14. If you add 3 in 14, you'll get 18 in the pattern 6. And if you add 3 in the 18, okay, yes, so you will get, so if you keep adding the pattern, okay, so you will get in the 7th one as your 7th pattern will be 20. Okay, 7th pattern will be 20. So you will get 17 here. I'm sorry, you will get 17 here. If you add 3 in 14, you will be getting 17. And if you add 3 in 17, you will get 20. So your 20 logs will be present in pattern number 7. So option number D is our right answer. Next question. Which of the following words can be formed from the letters of the given word? Okay, so the word is national. So which word over here can you make using these words? So using this particular word, which another word can you make? You can make a word known as Latina. See, Latina, Latina. So option number C is our right answer, Latina. You can make the word. Okay. Next. If football is hockey stick is table tennis, lawn tennis racket, and lawn tennis racket is cricket bat, then dash is used to play hockey. Okay, so definitely we know that hockey is played with hockey stick, but over here hockey is actually a lawn tennis racket, isn't it? So option number A is our right answer. Okay, this is our right answer. All right. Next question. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. So if you look at the mirror image, the mirror images are always laterally inverted, which means it's just the opposite pattern of what we have in the original picture. Okay, so if you notice that, you will see that your S will look like this and 9 will look like this on the mirror image. So where do we have this kind of an image? We have it in option number A. All right, A. And of course, the flag will also be pointing in this direction. Okay, this direction, right? So option number A is our right answer. Next, if all circles are removed from the given arrangement, then which of the following figures is third to the left of cube? So if this is right direction, has to be left direction. Okay, so which of the following figures is third to the left of cube? Where is the cube? Cube is here. The third to the left is 1, 2, 3. So this is the picture that is present to the third to the left of cube. So option number B is our right answer. It's the rectangle. Okay. Next, select the correct match. Weak stem, coconut. So now we have science questions moving ahead. Okay, from this question onwards. So we have the first question, which is select the correct match. Weak stem, coconut. No, coconut doesn't have a weak stem. Soft and weak stem, gulmohar. No, this is also incorrect. Stem grows along the ground as grapevines. No, definitely not. Because grapevines is a climber. So option number D is our right answer. Woody trunk is mango. So this is our correct match. Okay, option number D. Next. Exhaled air is impure as it has less of dash gas and more of dash gas as compared to inhaled air. Now you have to select the correctly filling the blanks in the above statement. So exhaled air will have more of carbon dioxide, okay, and it will have carbon dioxide and more of less of exhaled air will have less of not carbon dioxide, less of oxygen, okay, and more of carbon dioxide gas, okay, carbon dioxide gas. So option number B is our right answer, okay. Oxygen, first blank is oxygen, second blank is carbon dioxide. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Select the odd one out on the basis of eating habits. Okay, so eating habits, depending upon that, we have three types of animals: herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. So giraffe, tiger, and deer, they all are herbivores, but it's only the tiger which is the carnivore. So option number C is our right answer. Okay, it's an odd one out. Next. In which of the following rooms of a house you will most likely find soap and shampoo? So where do we find soap and shampoo? It is the bathroom, isn't it? So if you look into the images carefully, you will find out that D is the bathroom. So option number D is the right answer. Okay. Next, Mr. Yogesh bought a big water tank made of plastic. He chose plastic to other materials because it does not rust. Yes, plastic does not rust, does not break easily. Definitely, plastic does not break easily. Also, it does not absorb water. Yes, plastic is waterproof. It does not absorb water. So all of these is the correct option. Okay, plastic have all these characters because of which it is a very good alternative and it's a very good option to make big water tank. Okay, next. Look at the food items shown in the gift picture. Which of the following are energy giving foods? So we know that carbohydrate and fats are energy giving food, isn't it? Carbohydrate and fats are energy giving foods. Okay. So where do we have carbohydrates and fats? Is it the egg? No. Is it the vegetables? No. Is it bread? Yes. Potato? Yes. Fish? No. Chapati? Yes. And tomatoes? No. So 3, 4, and 6. 3, 4, and 6. Option number A is our right answer. Okay. Contains energy giving foods. 3, 4, and 6 only. Right. Next. The given hand gesture represents what? It represents a bird, fish, snake, or frog. It represents definitely a bird. Okay. This gesture represents a bird. Option number A is our right answer. Next. Select the incorrect statement. You should never play or hide in a dark or isolated places. This is correct. You should not lock the door from inside when you are alone at home. This is also correct. You should never try to open the door of a car when it is moving. This is also correct. You should never take shower before and after swimming. This is incorrect. We should always take a shower before and after swimming. So this is our incorrect statement. Option number D is the right answer. Okay. Next. Nidhi went to a hill station with her parents. There she came to know about a special means of transport to travel up and down a hill or a mountain. Select the special vehicle. So which vehicle is used to travel up and down in a mountain? Is it the firefighter bus? No. Is it the ambulance? No. Is it the submarine? No. It is this cable car. Okay, this is called a cable car, which we find it usually in the mountains. Okay, to see the view, the scenic beauty of the mountains. So option number D is our right answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following can be bought from the post office? Inline letter? Yes, we can buy inline letter. We can buy a postcard as well as stamp. So option number D, that is all of these is our right answer. Okay, we can find all of these in the post office. Next, precipitation is the process in which basically precipitation is when the clouds they come down as rainfall, isn't it? So that process is known as precipitation. So not only as rainfall, but also as snow or dew drops. All of these things can be called as precipitation. So water changes into gaseous form. No, definitely not. This is evaporation. Next is water vapor changes into liquid form. Okay. No, this is also incorrect. Then we have option number C. Water in the form of rain, hail, or snow falls on the earth. Yes, definitely this is the correct answer. Water, which can be in the form of rain or hail or snow that comes down on earth. All these can be called as precipitation. Okay, so option number C is our right answer. Next, the plant which is shown in the given figure is commonly found where? This is which plant? This is cactus, isn't it? So where do we find cactus? Do we find it in island or valley? No, we find it in desert. So option number C is our right answer. Okay, it's the desert. Next, fibrous root can be found in which of the following? So fibrous roots have don't have a main root and their roots are all coming out from a single point. So where do we see such kind of roots? We see it in the wheat plant. Okay. Yes. So option number A is our right answer. Wheat plant. Right. This flower as well as this hibiscus flower both have tap root. Only the wheat plant has a fibrous root. So option number A is our right answer. Next, the animals shown in the given pictures choose the cud is a scavenger, helps to eat the keep the environment clean. Both B and C. So it is only option A, that is choose the cud. Okay, choose the cud. This is which animal? It is the cow. Okay, so it only choose the cud. Option number A is the right answer. Next, Rahat has noted in his calendar 15th August. Okay, it was full moon. Which shape of the moon would she most likely to be observed on 29th August? So if you notice from 15th August, okay, to 29th August, how many days will you have in your hand? So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 14 days. Okay, 14 days. So if you notice, there are 14 days which is in between 15th August and 29th August. So 14 days, which means half of the cycle, because the entire lunar cycle is of 28 days, isn't it? So exactly half is the will be the 14 days of the cycle. So if she notices 15th August is full moon, so exactly half of once the half of the cycle is over, that is on the 14 days, she will notice which one? She will notice new moon, isn't it? She will notice new moon. So option number A is our right answer. Okay. Next. Feathers that are small, fluffy, soft, and keep the bodies warm are known as flight feathers, body feathers, warm feathers, and down feathers. So definitely it is the option number D, that is down feathers, which are fluffy, soft, and keeps the bird's body warm. Next, unscramble the letters in the given options to find out the name of the cooking method that does not require water. So first option is steaming, second is boiling, third is roasting, and D is none of these. So we know that steaming and boiling both requires water, but roasting is a cooking method which is done directly on the fire without use of water. So option number C is our right answer. Okay, roasting. Next, if we use too much of refined oil every day for cooking, there are chances that we will lose weight. No, definitely not. We will gain weight. Yes. If we use lot of refined oil, we are definitely going to gain a lot of weight, which is not good for our body, because oil is something that when eaten in excess amount gets stored in our body and we get fat. Okay, we become obese. So option number B is our right answer. Okay, we will gain weight. Next, select the option that correctly pairs means of personal and mass communication. Okay, so landline and mobile phone, no, both are personal communication. Newspaper and radio, both are mass communication. Magazine and television, this is both are mass communication. And option number D, postcard and cinema. This postcard is a personal communication and cinema is mass communication. So option number D is our right answer. Okay. Yes, postcard and cinema. Next, study the given relationship and select the option that correctly identifies X. Okay. So kidney is to skin. Okay. So brain is to spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord. This is our correct answer. Okay, option number C. Because brain, if skin is related to kidney, okay, kidney and skin are organs, okay, related to each other. So therefore, brain and spinal cord is also related to each other. Both are the part of the part of the nervous system. and kidney and the skin are part of excretory system. Okay, excretory system, whereas brain and spinal cord are the part of nervous system. Okay, so option number C is our right answer. Next, read the statements given by four children and select the one who made a correct statement. So Maya says a carpenter paints the wall, doors and windows of our house. The Arjun says a mason fits and repairs the water pipes. Kriti says that a tailor stitches our clothes, and Vaibhav says a plumber sells medicine. Okay, so who says the correct one? It is the it is Kirti who is saying the correct statement. A tailor stitches our clothes, isn't it? So option number C is our right answer. Okay. Next, Jaya saw a bird having foot as shown in the given picture. Identify the bird and select the incorrect statement regarding it. So, don't you think this is the foot of a duck? Duck, isn't it? Looks like a one of a duck. Yes or no? And it also has fe- fingers which are joined together. So, this kind of feet is known as webbed feet. Okay, webbed feet is such a feet which helps the animal to swim in the water. Okay, to float in the water. So if a duck, what kind of beak does a duck have? It has broad and flat beak with holes on the either side. Okay, this is correct. We have to find the incorrect statement. It can fly with the help of wings. Okay, no, this is also correct. Definitely, ducks can also fly. It can swim easily. Yes, definitely, ducks can swim easily. It makes its nest with stones and pebbles. No, this is the incorrect statement. So option number D is our right answer. Okay, it because it does not the duck does not make its nest with stones and pebbles. So option number D is our right answer. Next, in nature, plants and animals depend on each other. Some animals eat plants and some animals eat other animals. So this form is known as a food chain. Okay. Okay. So one animal eating the other forms a chain-like format, and we call this as food chain. Option number C is the right answer. Next, which among the following factors does not affect the weather of a place? So is it sun, rain, clouds, or rocks? So it is definitely going to be rocks. Rocks doesn't have to do anything with that of the weather of a place, isn't it? So option number D is our right answer. Next, the amount of the force required to make a hole in the sheet made up of different materials X, Y, and Z, but of equal thickness is depicted in the given graph. Which among them is the best suited to make body of a pressure cooker? So pressure cooker should have a strong body, a very strong body, so that it can not be broken easily. Yes or no? So if you notice, this graph basically shows that the material X, Y, and Z, how much force are we going to apply on that in order to create a hole in the sheet. So in in X, very less force is required, so the hole is created in the sheet of that material. In Z, in Y, a maximum amount of force is required to make a hole in that material, and Z, it is the medium amount of force which is given over there. Okay, so what kind of material would be best suited for making a pressure cooker? Of course, pressure cooker has to be made with a very hard and tough material, isn't it? So that tough material can be very hard or very difficult to create a hole inside it. So option number Y is going to be our answer. That is Y only, which is option number B is going to be our answer. Okay, which will be used to make the body of the pressure cooker. Next, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, R, and S. So R is both visual and audio communication. Um, Q is visual and mass. P is all visual, mass, and audio, and S is also visual, mass, and audio. Okay, so if you look into all the options correctly, you will find out that P is television, which is correctly identified. It is visual, audio, as well as mass communication, and S is only audio and mass communication. Okay, S is only audio and mass communication, which is a radio. Okay, so option number A is our correct answer. P is television, S is radio. Next, refer to the given figure and select the correct statement regarding it. So this is actually a picture of our solar system. Okay, solar system, where the center one is the sun. Okay, the R Q is our earth, and R is the moon. Okay, so you have to read all the statements and identify which is the correct statement. Okay, So first is R takes 365 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution around Q. So no, moon is R actually, but moon does not take so many days to revolve around the earth. It takes only uh, 30 days, 28 days, isn't it? Yes, to revolve around the earth. So our option A is wrong. Okay, next. B is R has many huge craters created by space rocks. Yes, is moon, and moon has many craters or what do you say, depressions, which we see on the moon if you look at the picture. So option number B is our correct statement. So B is our right answer. Okay. Next, refer to the given table where few birds have been discussed on a certain basis. Select the option that correctly identifies P and Q. So in the first one, group 1 has pigeon and crow, and group 2 has kiwi and ostrich. So if you look at it very carefully, you will notice that group 1 has flying birds, okay, and if you notice in group 2 there are flightless birds, okay, flightless birds, okay. So option number, which option has group 1 as flying and group 2 as flightless birds? It is option number B. Hen can fly, whereas cannot fly. So option number B, hen is a flying bird and penguin is a flightless bird, cannot fly at all. So option number B is our right answer. And the final question is, refer to the given food chain and select the incorrect statement regarding it. So we have grass, which is eaten by grasshopper, then by frog, then by snake, and finally by eagle. Okay, so you have to select the incorrect option by looking at this food chain. So if the population of the frog is removed, the population of the grasshopper will increase. Yes, this is true. If you remove all the frog, the grasshopper population is going to increase. This is correct. Next, if the population of eagle is removed, the population of the snake will increase. Yes, if you remove eagle, snake will also increase because snake will not be eaten by anybody. So snake population is going to increase automatically. So this is also correct. Next is, if the population of the grasshopper is removed, the population of both frog and eagle will increase. So if you remove frog, okay, grasshopper, can the population of frog increase? No, definitely not, because frog will not have any food to eat. So actually, the population of the frog will go down, will decrease. At the same time, the population of the snake will reduce, and also the eagle will also reduce or decrease. So option number C is our incorrect statement. So this is our right answer. Okay. So thank you everybody for paying attention, and with this we come to the end of the discussion of this question paper. I hope you have understood all the questions, and I wish you all the very best for your examination. Thank you so much.